So here, it's just pretty much a tear down, a strip down of the defective pull cord switch. So I'm just quite curious as to what's going on in this mechanism and pull it apart and see if I can assemble it. But I've taken this apart and the pull cord switch mechanism, which is where your cord is, isn't quite sturdy in the manufacture of this component. And that necessarily, rather than just fixing that little bit, we'd always have to change the whole and pull cord. And that's because when you're stripping down, you get springs flying all over the place, and so it's penny wise pound foolish. I'd say I'd just say get a new one, because if it was something that we could fix, why get a new one? Okay, so it can be fixed, because with this one there wasn't any short circuit. The mechanism just was just suffered a lot of wear and tear. But to save on time, quality and cost, I just get a new one, rather than trying to work your way through disassembling and assembling the defective component. So when I look at how sturdy or compact these components are, especially them pull cord switches, they're subject to mechanical wear and tear, and the shelf life isn't great for most of them. But at least you get decent ones that could do the job for a considerable length of time. And so far so good. This one that I'm using here hasn't given me. It's been a couple of months now, and it's not giving me any faults. So if you're quite curious and you want to see what it looks like on the inside, just stay tuned for the rest of the video, and have fun. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you found any information in the videos or affiliated videos useful. Alright, have fun, goodbye, catch up with you soon, bye.